What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my cash stuffing for my September the 29th paycheck. So today I'm going to go ahead and stuff my my bills and also my cash wallet, and let's just go ahead and get started, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and count the cash. I have 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 7 1 2 3 4 8 1 2 3 4 9 10 20 40. So oh Lord, what am I talking about? 10 20 30 40 45 50 55 56 7 8 9 60 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All right, so let's go ahead and separate the cash. Here we go with these crusty, dusty dollars. I see that's still the same. Nothing has changed. Let's go ahead and get this together. I need these banks to give out some fresh dinero and stop playing out here in these streets. It's dirty money. All right, I think I got it. 150. Sit that there. Jesus, I'm throwing cash. Just throwing the cash around. All right, so now. All right, so now we have the cash all set up. Let's go ahead and get started. So first thing first, utilities is going to get $187, and I'm going to take 100, 50, 70, 80, and take $7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. All right, so 187. It's gonna go in here. Oh, that was already open. I'm all out of frame. All right, Capital One Platinum is going to get $30, and we're gonna do 20 and a 10. Now, guys, these are my bills for the first half of the month. So I will only be cash stuffing for the first half of the month. Capital One Quicksilver will be with the second half. Dental, we're not doing. Let's see, subscriptions, we're not doing. Allowance, we're not doing. Car, we're not doing. Car insurance, not doing. Phone is getting 130, so we're gonna take $100 bill, 120 and 110. So we have 100, 120, 110. Oh, sorry, 130. What am I talking about? 100, 120, 130. Your girl is all off base. Get it together, sis. Get it together. Okay. Let's put that here. All right. So let's see. What did we miss? Groceries, gas, home, we got sale, afterpays. I need to go ahead and do those. So we have an afterpay for $41, so we're gonna do 220s. And a $1 bill. And then we also have an afterpay for $141, which we're gonna do 720s. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and $1 bill. So let's go ahead and just put these two together. So for afterpay, We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 2. So $182 for Afterpay, and I'm just gonna put these in allowance for now. I have to make me some new cash envelopes, new binders, and I'll be doing that soon. So I'm just gonna stick that there for now. Oh, I missed one. So we have another Afterpay for $52. So we're gonna take a $50 bill and $2. I'm gonna go ahead and add that with this. As I said on my budget with me video, it's just been spending. I really have, and yes, I use Afterpay, y'all. I really do. All right, so let's start this. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 1, 2, 3, 4. So $234 for Afterpay. All right, and let's see what we have. We did the Capital One miscellaneous spend. I think everything else is going in my wallet. So let's go ahead and close this up. Sit this to the side, and my budget wallet. Let me just sit this out of the way. So for my budget wallet, we have, let's see. We have gas, and gas is getting $75. So we're gonna do 320s. In my wallet, I wanna say open. I should have just took them out, but anyways, $75. So we have 60, 70, and a 5. So yeah, so we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75 for gas. Going in. And for, oh, this ain't even going down right. Hold on, y'all. Anyways, eating out's not getting anything. Household is getting $25. So we're gonna do a 20 and a 5. So 120 and a 5 for household. We're gonna go ahead and put that in there. We're not getting anything for self-care yet. For outings, I don't have anything. For giving, I don't have anything. Christmas, I don't have anything. Miscellaneous spend is getting $25. So let's see, we're gonna do a 20 and a 5. I thought I had did this a different way, but I guess I didn't. Now I got a whole lot of cash left here, and I don't know why. What did I miss? What did I miss, guys? I did, let's see, we did utilities, we did, oh, Credit One Bank. I didn't stuff that one. So let's go ahead and put this back here. Credit One Bank is getting 162. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that one in here with the Capital One, because I'm gonna have to put that back in the bank. So we're gonna do $100, and we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 60, and then $2 bills. All right, so we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 1, 2. So 162 for Credit One Bank. Just gonna go ahead and put this back here. So I did, did I do groceries? I think that's what's left, groceries. So that will go inside of my, that will go inside of my wallet. Do I have a groceries, envelope? I haven't did this in so long, guys. I don't even know. But like I said, I'm going to be making me some new ones. So let's see. If I don't, I'll just put it in my miscellaneous spend envelope, and then that'll be for my groceries for the month. No, I actually don't have a groceries. Oh my God, I got to make a groceries envelope to go inside of here, and I need one inside of my binder. So I'm just gonna put it in eating out, even though I know that it's for groceries, and that's gonna get $100. So you have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. And I intended on doing it today, however I didn't, so I'll probably be working on that tomorrow, getting my new binders together. And that is pretty much it, guys. So I am finished with my cash stuffing for the paycheck of September 29th. I will be doing another stuffing coming up soon. That will be from my actual salon, because I do have a salon now, guys. So that will be my salon stuffing for the month, how much I made and how much I'm going to distribute out. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Like this video, share this video, guys, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.